Hello friends, today we are going to do logic bombs. So what is logic bomb? They are a piece of code that is embedded in some legitimate program, that is some legal program, some bit of code is added, and they explode or perform malicious activities when certain conditions are met. So now we will see in detail logic bomb. So it is a computer virus that remains hidden until it is triggered when certain specific conditions are met. So there are about 5 to 6 line of code which is written in some legal program, and when you add this 4 to 5 line code in it and it executes, then for whatever reasons that code is written, it will work on it. Like if you want to delete all the files, or if you want to corrupt all the files, so whatever written in that code, that will run once it is triggered. It is also called a slag code. Then, a logic bomb, when exploded, may be designed to display or print fake messages, delete or corrupt your data, or to have an undesirable effect. So, your system will give you an undesirable effect, what you might have not thought that type of output you will get. So, that is logic bomb. So, small code, that is 4 to 5 line code, that is written in your big program. So now if some attacker writes 4 to 5 line code in your 4000 5000 lines big code, you will never come to know that a few lines are added in your code. Then logic bombs typically are malicious in intent, acting in the same way as viruses or Trojan horse once activated. So how viruses and Trojan horses are working, in the similar way logic bombs also work. It needs host program to execute. So as in virus we need another program to attach itself. Similarly in logic bomb also they require a host program. Then it does not replicate itself. Once triggered, that program can perform any number of malicious activities. Then logic bombs are extremely difficult to detect before they are triggered. So if they are not triggered, it is very difficult to find them out. This is because logic bombs are often embedded in large computer programs. As I've said earlier, that they are written in 4000 5000 line code. 4 to 5 lines are added. You will never come to know that the 4 5 lines are somebody has added in your code, some containing tens and thousands of lines of code. An attacker can easily insert 3 4 lines of computer code into your long program without anyone detecting the insertion. Then, how to prevent from this logic bombs? Do not download any pirated software. Be careful with installing shareware, freeware applications. Be cautious when opening email attachments. Do not click on suspicious web links. Always update your antivirus software and install the latest operating system patches. So this is logic bomb. Thank you.